Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ross and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester here. I can't believe I have to make this video, but I found this thing to be so annoying that I went to countless forums to get an answer on how to turn off the radio on 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. So when you get in the car and it starts playing the station, you have few ways you could turn off the radio. Number one, you could just turn this dial to the left, right? Up, down. So that's the first way. Second way is if the music is playing and you simply tap it once like so, it's going to go immediately to the mute mode. Let me show you. As you could see, boom, mute. Right now it's muted. Unmute it like so, mute it again. No problem. There's another way to operate your radio and to shut it off, and that is by using the source button right here. I find it to be the best option for me, so let me teach you how to use that. So this is how I use the source button in order to quickly turn off or turn on the radio without using this button here. Here's what you need to do first. You gotta go to SXM here, then you gotta go to Browse, and you gotta choose radio channel 0. Okay? Right now we're in Sirius XM on channel 0. When you are in SXM channel 0, nothing's playing, it's just a quiet channel. Now I will be pressing the source button on my steering wheel and let me show you what happens. You simply press it once, it goes to AM, you press it again, it goes to Sirius XM on channel 0, means there's no sound, and that's it, the car is quiet again. And then if I want to go back to listening to the radio, I just simply press the source button once again, and it goes straight to the radio. Amazing. I want it quiet once and twice. Straight to channel 0. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more useful videos like this.